In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can create a slow zoom in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have my picture of a cat here, and I want to create a slow zoom using this picture. Now, first thing we have to do is selecting our sequence, and then when you have your sequence selected, you can choose direct transform manipulation. When you toggle this direct manipulation, you get your anchor point. And depending on where you want to zoom to go to, you can move this anchor point around. Let's make it go to the middle of the nose of the cat here. Now, the next thing we're going to do is in the effect control window, we're going to create an anchor point, a keyframe for scale, for creating our first beginning keyframe. And I also want one with rotation. Now we're going to go to the end of our sequence, and then here I'm going to create a keyframe from the scale, and I'm going to zoom in. And I'm also going to rotate it a bit. Maybe 3, just a slight rotation. And as you can see now, we have a slow zoom and on the picture of the cat with a slight rotation. Now you can also create just the keyframes for the scale. Then when you take away the rotation, now we just have the slow zoom on the cat without the rotation. You can also, of course, make the opposite. So let's select the first keyframe, and I'm going to make this 120. And then we're going to go to the end here and then select this keyframe, and I'll make it 100. And then we have the opposite. We have a slow zoom away from the cat. So it's just playing around with your keyframes, scale, rotation, whichever you want with your slow zoom, and then making sure that by selecting your sequence and then here toggling the direct manipulation, that you can move your anchor point around to focus on where you want to zoom to go to or to happen from. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.